Hi nail friends, it's Miranda and welcome back to Corky's Wine and Nails. I do have a Corky name writer who is running around making noise during my video. We have a little sippy of wine and we have the fun nail part of the video today. These were gifted to me from Nail Addict LA, and so these three colors look so gorgeous. I'm really excited to try them out. And then I have their regular base and their no wipe top coat. And this guy, this little friend here, is called a peel base for the gel, and I'm very interested. I'm obsessed with peel base because I love to change my nails all the time. So let's check it out. So I swatched through three colors. The grayish taupe one is called Mon Cheri. It has a little bit of a purple undertone. And then this gorgeous, gorgeous lavender is breaking news. And the darker color there, kind of like a super dark teal, is called Aqualicious. And so I thought I was gonna do just the lavender and maybe like a swirl design, but I decided to do Aqualicious and breaking news together. And we're going to attempt a swirly design. I haven't done this before except for that swatch, and it didn't turn out terrible, so we're gonna try it out. I already have peel base on all of my nails. It's the regular UNT peel base that I use, and so on this ring finger is where I am trying the Nail Addict Olay peel base. So I cured it for 30 seconds after I applied it, and it was a little tacky still, so I felt like that was kind of what you would expect from a regular base coat. So I did not apply the regular base. I just skipped that part and went straight to the gel. So I'm applying breaking news, and it looks a little bit sheer here. It's more buildable, but it looks a little bit sheer. I feel like gels always look a little bit sheer once they're over the base coat versus when you're just applying them directly to a swatch. So the plan here is I'm going to focus on this ring finger because I know that it's going to have different cure times. So I'm just going to do this first, and bear with me because it's about to be a hot mess. I did one layer, cured for 30 seconds in my 50 watt lamp, and then here's where I'm going to try to do this swirl. It goes a little south, so I'm a DIY user just like you guys. And when I mess up, I'm really good at messing up, but I always show you how I mess up and how I fix it. So now I'm gonna add Mon Cheri on the other side of this nail. The plan is I was gonna swirl them. I was gonna put just a little drops, and look, disaster, disaster. Oh my gosh, SOS, 911, somebody save me, this is awful. So I take this stick, my little orange wood stick, and I'm like, oh no, this isn't gonna work. So I decided to take some gel off with my cute little triple D tool here. And I'm like, okay, can I save this? Yeah, no. So I took off more, and I tried to add a little bit more lavender. It's just overkill on the Aqualicious. I did not mean to drop so much onto the nail. And so just, if you enjoy watching a struggle and a disaster in action, here it is, you guys. So I do take off more on this side because it's just getting too muddy, and add a little bit more lavender. I'm trying to lighten it up and have more of it be prominent, that it's kind of marbled looking. And I'm starting to get something happening here. So this is what we end up with. I'm going to clean up around the sides, and then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. All right, so we've cured for 30 seconds, and I'm going to do the no wipe top coat. Really easy to apply and super shiny. I'm going to cure that for 90 seconds, and then we will do the rest of the nails. Ring finger is complete, so we're going to do just the basic application of gel. I'm going to use the Nail Addict LA base coat and apply this to all the remaining nails, and then I will cure for 30 seconds. One thing I always get asked about is this cute silicone tipped nail tool that I'm using. This one is from Triple D and it's so sparkly and pink. I love it. I'll leave the link in the description box. So here we're just doing a basic gel application. It's pretty easy because there's no techniques necessarily involved with this. But when I move over here to my thumb in a second, I had noticed that in videos and from other nail ladies in the community that they paint the tip first and then apply and cover the full nail. So I was trying that out. I think it does help give more consistent, even coverage with the gel with less streaks. So it was just something that I had not tried before or thought to try before, and I think it worked out pretty good. And I want to take a minute to talk about how insanely gorgeous this color Aqualicious is. It's such a deep teal. It's actually darker than I had expected from browsing on the website, but I love it and it's so perfect for fall and winter. It's like just a super luscious, dark teal. I cured that first coat for 30 seconds and now we are going to do the second coat, and I will cure this coat for 30 seconds as well. I really struggled on whether or not to do a second layer of Aqualicious. It was completely full coverage with one coat, and something was telling me, leave it alone, Miranda, don't mess it up. But my OCD was stronger than that voice, and so I felt like I was doing 2 layers on the other fingers. So I wanted to do 2 layers on these nails also, and thankfully I did not do anything to wreck it. And they turned out fine, but it's definitely one you could get away with just one coat. And now it is time for the super shiny no wipe top coat. This is super easy to use. I love their no wipe top coat. I have used this product before and I really enjoyed it. So I'm glad to get a new stash of it here. And it's really glossy. I really love the shine from this gel top coat. And I'm gonna cure this for 90 seconds in my lamp. And then once we're done, I will clean up and I'll come back and show you the final results. So here are the final results, and here is me awkwardly holding my hand. I don't know why I do this, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I definitely enjoyed these products from Nail Addict LA, so I hope that you try them out. Even though I goofed up on my ring finger, it turned out pretty good. So I would recommend them, and I hope that if you enjoyed the video, you will hit the like button and subscribe. So thanks for being my nail friends, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. For those of you that stuck around to the end, here is a little bonus footage on that nail that we tested the peel base from Nail Addict LA on. Then I filed around the edges, and then I just gently peeled off the layers of gel using these cuticle nippers. Be really careful if you do this, but it did come off. It removed pretty easily. It was not as easy as my UNT peel base, but this might be good if you do like to get some wear time out of your mani. Something to try out.